What if I told you that you can build your strength, lower down your high blood pressure, and improve your overall health without moving even a single muscle? Sound impossible, right? Well, welcome to the world of isometric exercises. In this video, we will dive deeply into isometric exercises, which is a game changing workout method that's perfect for those who are beginners, who requires almost no equipment and can be done anywhere at any time. Whether you are just starting your fitness journey or you are looking for new ways to challenge your body, this video is definitely for you. In the next 10 minutes, we will explore what exactly isometric exercises are, what are the health benefits that you will experience, different types of isometric exercises that you can start doing today itself, how isometric exercises will benefit you with conditions like high blood pressure, and I will also share a simple daily routine that you can begin with right now. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. So, isometric exercises are strength training movements where our muscles contract and work hard, but our joints don't move at all. Think of it like you are pushing your body against the wall. In this, your muscles are working intensely, but nothing is moving. That's isometric exercise. Some other familiar examples are holding plank position, squeezing your hands together like in a prayer position, or wall sit up in which you are sitting against the wall like you are sitting on an invisible chair. During isometric exercises, our muscles generate force without changing their length. This creates tension throughout the muscle fiber, which helps in building strength and endurance. Unlike regular exercises where we lift or lower down heavy weights, isometric exercises mainly focus on holding a position and creating internal resistance as well. What makes isometric exercises unique is that they mainly work on our muscles. They can improve our muscle stability, enhance our mind to muscle connection, and it can be incredibly effective in building our body's strength so that we can easily perform our everyday activities. Isn't that great? Now, what are the different types of health benefits that we will get if we are practicing isometric exercises on a daily basis? Well, research suggests that isometric exercises can significantly improve our heart health. Many studies have also found that regular isometric training can lower down our systolic as well as diastolic blood pressure by bringing them back to the normal range. This happens because isometric contraction can create a unique cardiovascular challenge, which in result can strengthen our heart and can improve our blood vessel function as well. Some other health benefits that we can get from isometric exercises are it can increase our muscle strength and endurance. It can provide stability to our joints. It can also activate our mind to muscle connection. It can improve our sleep quality, reduce our stress levels, and it can also decrease the chances of having arthritis, back pain, and high blood pressure in the near future. And you know what's the best part of doing isometric exercises are? Well, we require almost no equipment, it is time efficient, and we can do it anywhere at any time without any distraction. So, overall, isometric exercise is a very powerful tool for those who want to maintain their overall health. And isometric exercise is a very safe exercise that can be done by anyone without any injury. And so, do try isometric exercises if you want to keep yourself fit throughout the whole life. Let's quickly get into the different types of isometric exercises that we can perform on a daily basis. So, the first one is holding a plank. And with this, I mean doing a simple and standard plank for almost 30 to 60 seconds. You can also do side planks if you want to target your obliques as well. And if you are a beginner, then you can start doing your plank on your knees, and then you can make it advanced by doing one arm plank. The second one is wall sit, in which we have to keep our body against the wall and our thighs parallel to each other, like we are sitting on an invisible chair, and then hold it for 20 to 60 seconds. Then only you will see that how great this particular exercise is for your entire body, especially for your glutes and for your calves. The third type of isometric exercise is stress ball squeezes. This can be done by squeezing and holding a ball at the maximum pressure for 5 to 30 seconds. This exercise is really helpful for your forearms, fingers, hand muscles, and it can even engage our core for stability. So, you can either practice it with your one hand or both the hands in order to get benefits from it. The fourth type is using hand grippers. In this exercise, you will need an equipment which is hand grippers. This equipment is easily accessible to everyone. All you need to do is squeeze the gripper at its maximum compression and then hold it as long as you can. You can find many grippers which comes with adjustable tension levels which you can fix according to your own suitability. So, if you want to develop your grip strength, then this exercise is perfect for you. The fifth and the last type of exercise is single leg stand. In this exercise, you need to balance your entire body on one foot. This exercise can improve your stability and your ankle strength as well. All you need to do is hold up your body on one leg for almost 15 to 60 seconds, and that's it. Now, I am going to share a very simple yet effective way to practice isometric exercises which you all can easily add into your daily routine. So, the first exercise that you can do is wall sit for almost 20 to 30 seconds. And then you can take rest for the next 30 seconds. After that, you can hold a plank for almost 30 seconds and then you can again take rest for 30 seconds. Then the third exercise that you can do is single leg stand for almost 20 to 30 seconds each leg. Then you can again take 30 seconds of rest, and after that you can practice stress ball squeezes for almost 20 to 30 seconds. And then after taking 30 seconds of rest, you can practice hand grippers for almost 30 seconds. All these exercises are just gonna take 5 minutes from your entire day. And I think without meaning any excuses, We can easily perform these 5 exercises in just 5 minutes, and we can also afford it easily if we want to keep our body healthy and fit. So, let's conclude this video by saying that isometric exercises are a powerful, accessible way for improving our overall health. These exercises can help us in lowering down our high blood pressure, building up our strength, improving our body's posture, and boosting up our overall well-being. And we can achieve all these health benefits without adding any complex movements. So, just start today itself by doing as small as 5 minutes of isometric exercises with proper consistency and by being patient. And then you can slowly and gradually increase your intensity according to your own body's convenience. Instead of focusing on the duration of the isometric exercises, just focus on the proper form. Remember, the best exercise is the one that you actually do. Isometric exercises can remove all the barriers away from your life. No gym, no extra weights, and no excuses. Your healthiest self is just a few holes away. So, start today and thank yourself later. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those isometric exercises that I have mentioned in this video, which of them are you going to try on a daily basis without a mess? And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also add these simple exercises into their daily routine without making any extra efforts. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.